Hello and welcome to this short video, which takes you through the process of using Panopto application tool to record your lecture on your PC for it to be viewed on your Blackboard module by students. This can be broken down into three simple steps. Number one, installing Panopto on your computer. Number two, setting up Panopto on your Blackboard module. And number three, recording your lecture. The first step is downloading Panopto onto your computer. To do this, open a web browser and type in tcd.cloud.panopto.eu into the address bar. Select the option Educate SSO from the drop-down menu and click Sign In. Then enter your Trinity College username and password and log in. On the top right-hand corner, click on the Download Panopto button. Then the Panopto Recorder installer will download. Run the installation file to install the Panopto application on your computer. Panopto is now installed. The second step to configure your Blackboard module for Panopto. First, log into Blackboard. Next, in My Learning space on the left-hand side of the window, click on your module. Ensure Edit Mode is turned on at the top right end of the window. Now, the first step is to create your folder to save your lecture recordings. Select the plus sign in the green tab on the top left of the window. Then select the menu item 2 link. Enter a name into the name field. Select the drop-down arrow next to the type and choose Panopto Course Tool application from the list. Click the button on the left of the text Available to Users so your students can view the lecture once your recording is saved. Next, press Submit. As you can see, a link called Lecture Recordings has been created in the menu. Click on this link. This brings you to a page with the text, "This course is not provisioned with Panopto. Before a course can be used with Panopto, it must be set up." Click on the Configure button, then click Add Course to Panopto. This brings you to a page entitled Configure Panopto Connector. You have successfully configured your Panopto folder for your module. Next, click Return to Course. You are now ready for step 3, which is to record your lecture. Click Lecture Recordings, then click the Create button and select Record a new session from the drop-down menu. Then click Open Panopto and click Open Panopto Recorder. In this window, you can name your lecture in your name field. Ensure Capture PowerPoint and Capture Main Screen are ticked. Then click Record. Minimize the Panopto window. Click into the PowerPoint presentation and select the Slide Show button, which is the icon next to the volume slider on the bottom right-hand side of the screen. You can now present your slides. When you have completed your lecture, close the Slide Show and then click Stop on the Panopto window. Click the Done button. Once the recording ends, Choose Delete and Record again, or Upload, which saves the recording to your lecture recordings folder and onto your computer. The lecture recording will be viewable by the students enrolled in your module when they log into Blackboard. Once your recording is uploaded, you have the options to resume recording, share externally, edit or view. You can sign out of Panopto, Blackboard, and the computer.